once upon DIY, you probably see that I have 2 sets of hands here because my little sister is here. Hi. So today we're using these CDs. They're not really CDs apparently, they're just plastic, but I don't even know if that's true because my brother said that, but who cares? So, we're gonna make coasters for Mother's Day. If you're watching this after Mother's Day, that's probably because I decided to post it after Mother's Day so my mom would not see this. We're also making one for my grandma. So this one is going to be from both of us, and then we're going to have 2 separate ones for my mom. So grandma and mom, do not watch this unless it's after Mother's Day. Got it? Okay. So let's get started. We're just going to brainstorm and paint if I didn't make that clear. Actually, I didn't even say that. Anyways, let's get started. Well, forget brainstorming because we're not doing that. We're just gonna do something abstract on it because we think that's gonna look cool instead of doing something like design. You know, like if you do like hills here and then like the skyline here, if you turn it down, then you don't really know what it is. So we're just gonna do something abstract. Let's start mixing our paint and painting. Okay, so we don't really know if it's sticking, and you know, see that's pretty transparent. So we're gonna take that off. I haven't even started painting yet, and then we are going to do a base coat of white. That is purple, but it's a really dark purple, so it probably looks black or brown on camera. So we're not putting brown on it, by the way. Okay, so we have done the base coat, as you can see.
Because it wasn't sticking very well.
Yeah, so we are going to let that dry, and then we're not going to let it fully dry, we're going to let it dry just enough so we can paint on it, and then we will be back. Okay, so they're pretty dry, so we are going to start painting. So I obviously went for a little more abstract than she did.
Really?
Look at it, yours is like more separated. But anyways, so I just kind of like dabbed it on there, and then I took this sponge and I like just went around like this, and it kind of mixed the colors and made it a little more like textured, and like mixed the colors a little bit more, so it made it even more abstract. She's still working. I went kind of quickly and made it like really abstract, but I'm gonna let her finish and then on to the next step. Well, I actually lied a little bit. We're gonna do my grandma's next, and then it's on to the next step. Sorry if I got you a little excited there. Okay, so for the next step, we're gonna put these on there.
But it is really wet.
Yeah, it's still wet.
So
But
we're gonna let it dry first.
yeah, we're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna put these on it, and then we are going to Mod Podge. Okay, so they're pretty much dry. Yeah, they're just a little wet. They're pretty much dry. So we're gonna go ahead. Stop. And we're gonna go ahead and put these on. Just peel off this.
How many do we put?
4.
One each. Oh, there's not enough to put 4 in each.
It's okay, I'll go put more.
You need 4 more.
Okay, I'll with them. And then we're gonna Mod Podge it. Oh, can't get it off. Stuck. Sticky. Or it's sticking to it. I mean, that's its job, but not the point. There's a thing where like you can, if you peel off one, sometimes it peels off both of them. But now I have to break it. Gosh. Okay. There we go. And now it's stand like that. And then we just have to put them on this one, and then we're good, and then we're gonna Mod Podge. Okay, so I got 4 more. They're a little bigger and they're different, but it's fine. Okay, there.
Now we're going to do the Mod Podge.
Well, I don't know, should we wait a little bit?
Yeah. Now we're gonna go wait.
Because we want to make sure they're fully dry because we don't want to mess it up. But we'll be back in 1 second for you and a little bit for us. So they're dry and we are ready to Mod Podge. So
This one's a little wet, so we're actually gonna wait a little longer.
yeah, we're gonna do this one last. But time to Mod Podge. Okay, so we have Mod Podged them, so now we are going to wrap them up for Mother's Day. And you know how we did the sponge thing? Yeah, it actually left a texture and it feels cool, so that's exciting. So let's start packaging, gift wrapping, whatever you want to call it. What should we call it? We don't know, but let's get started. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you think my little sister would be a great YouTuber too.